Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the YouTube application into your Windows. This is where you can enjoy watching your movies, download your favorite videos. So how can we install the YouTube application? So if we're going to open the Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to type here YouTube. So here in YouTube, you can easily, or here in Microsoft Edge, you can easily access YouTube, but this is in your Microsoft Edge browser. And you can also install this as a separate application because if you are not going to use it in the Microsoft Edge browser, then you can use it simply alone as it is. However, if you are using it in the Microsoft Edge browser, if you're going to create or multitask in your Microsoft Edge browser, like you're going to search for another info right here, your YouTube will be affected. It will be paused because if you're going to watch another videos right here or leave any or leave it unattended, then you can do another things right here. So why not install it as a different application, not inside the Microsoft Edge? So we can do that. Now you have YouTube right here. Just simply open youtube.com and click on this three dots at the top right corner in the Microsoft Edge. Now you have to do this in the Microsoft Edge and you have to click on this apps. In the list of options in the Microsoft Edge, click on apps, install YouTube app, click on install. Then here, the app is already installed and this is separate from the Microsoft Edge. You are not going to open the Microsoft Edge if you are going to watch YouTube because you already have the app in your Windows. So you can also allow this app to pin to taskbar and pin to start. Click on allow. Now if I'm going to search for YouTube in the Windows search bar, then that will appear as an application under the best match. And here you can just simply enjoy watching your favorite videos, download your favorite videos, watch the latest news right here on your YouTube application, and this is already a separate application in your Microsoft Edge. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.